Blue Star High Secondary School video classes for 10th standard mathematics. Happy morning students. Today we are going to see 5.4 inclination of a line. The inclination of a line or the angle of inclination of a line is the angle which makes a straight line makes with the positive direction of x-axis measured in the counterclockwise direction to the part of the line above the x-axis. The inclination of the line is usually denoted by theta. To find the slope of a straight line when 2 points are given. For example, this is your graph x, y, x dash, y dash, 0, and this is a straight line. In this you are taken 2 point a of x1, y1, b of x2, y2. So theta is the angle of inclination. So if you join this a and b, you get the point C. Then theta is the angle of inclination. So x2 minus x1, here this is y2 minus y1, because slope m is equal to tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So this is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side and this is your hypotenuse. So BC divided by AC. So BC divided by AC is nothing but this is y2 minus y1, because this is the y coordinate y2 minus y1, and this is from A to C is x2 minus x1. So the slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. That is m is equal to difference in y coordinates divided by difference in x coordinates. Example 5.8, which is in page number 217. What is the slope of a line whose inclination is 30 degree? And second subdivision, what is the inclination of a line whose slope is root 3? So here theta is given, that is inclination, angle of inclination is given, that is nothing but theta is equal to 30 degree. So slope m is equal to tan theta. So therefore slope m is equal to tan 30 degree. So tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. Therefore here the slope m is equal to 1 by root 3. Similarly, second subdivision, what is the inclination of a line whose slope is root 3? Here slope is given. So given m is equal to root 3. Let theta be the inclination of the line. So tan theta is equal to root 3. You have to find when the tan theta value is root 3. So we get the theta is equal to 60 degree, because tan 60 is equal to, you get the value root 3. Example 5.9. Find the slope of a line joining the given points. First subdivision, minus 6, 1 and minus 3, 2. So here they are given 2 points, minus 6, 1 and minus 3, 2. So you know the formula, slope m is equal to distance in y coordinates divided by distance between x coordinates. That is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So this is x1 y1 value and this is x2 y2. So y2 is 2 minus y1 is 1 divided by x2 is minus 3, minus into minus plus. So minus 3 plus 6 is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1, minus 3 plus 6 is 3. Similarly, second subdivision, minus 1 by 3, 1 by 2 and 2 by 7, 3 by 7. Here also you are going to substitute the slope. M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 value is 3 by 7 minus y1 value is 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 7 minus of minus plus 1 by 3, which is equal to, you have to take LCM. So 7 2s are 14, 3 2s are 6 and 1 into 7 is 7. Divided by, here also the LCM is 7 3s are 21. Then cross multiplication, 3 2s are 6 plus 7 into 1 is 7. Which is equal to 6 minus 7 is minus 1 by 14. If you are taking 2 up, it will become, division become multiplication, then you have to take the reciprocal. So 21 divided by 6 plus 7 is 21, which is equal to minus 3 by 26. Then third subdivision 14 comma 10 and 14 comma minus 6. Therefore the slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, which is equal to minus 6 minus 10 divided by 14 minus 14, which is equal to minus 16 by 0. So you get the denominator as 0. Then the slope is undefined. Exercise 5.2. First question. What is the slope of a line whose inclination with positive direction of x-axis is first subdivision is 90 degree and second subdivision is 0 degree, which is in page number 220. So first subdivision theta is equal to 90 degree. So theta, that is angle of inclination, is 90 degree, means the slope m is equal to tan 90. But tan 90 is undefined. Then second subdivision is 0 degree. Theta is equal to 0 degree. Therefore m is equal to tan 0 degree. Tan 0 degree is 0. Second problem. What is the inclination of a line whose slope is first subdivision 0 and second subdivision 1, which is also in page number 220. So here the slope is given, you have to find the angle of inclination, that is m is equal to 0, then tan theta is equal to 0. When tan theta is equal to 0 is the theta value is 0 degree. When theta is 0, you get the slope as 0. That is nothing but the second subdivision. Here theta value is 0 degree. So tan 0 degree is equal to 0. Here the slope is given, m is equal to 0, means you have to get the theta value is equal to 0 degree. Similarly, m is equal to 1. We know that tan theta is equal to 1. When tan is equal to 1 means theta is equal to 45 degree. Problem number 3. Find the slope of a line joining the points first subdivision 5 comma root 5 with the origin. Origin is nothing but 0 comma 0. Then second subdivision sin theta comma minus cos theta and minus sin theta comma cos theta, which is in page number 220. So solution, first you have to find the slope of the line joining the points 5 comma root 5 and the origin is nothing but 0 comma 0. The formula m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this is your x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So m is equal to y2 value is 0 minus y1 value is root 5 divided by x2 value is 0 minus x1 value is 5, which is equal to minus root 5 by minus 5, minus minus gets cancelled, which is equal to root 5 by 5. You can write root 5 divided by 5 is nothing but root 5 into root 5. So root 5 gets cancelled. The slope m is equal to 1 by root 5. Third one, second subdivision. Slope of the line joining sin theta comma minus cos theta minus sin theta comma cos theta. Therefore the slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this is your x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Substitute in the formula, you get y2 is cos theta minus y1 is minus cos theta, so minus into minus plus cos theta divided by x2 is minus sin theta minus cos theta, so x1 value is sin theta, which is equal to 2 cos theta divided by minus 2 sin theta. So 2 gets cancelled, you get cos theta by minus sin theta, which is nothing but cos by sin is cot. So minus cot theta. Therefore the slope m is equal to minus cot theta.